Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to turn off review tags on your posts on Facebook using the Android app. Let's go through the steps together. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android device to access your account. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture displayed on the screen. Next, tap on the three dots icon located on your profile page to access additional options. Select Review Posts and Tags from the Options menu to access the review feature for tags on your posts. Beside Review Tags on your posts, tap on Settings to customize your review settings. Finally, toggle the switch to turn off the review tags on your posts, giving you more control over the tags associated with your posts on Facebook. By following these steps, you can personalize your tag settings and streamline your Facebook experience by managing tags more efficiently. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to turn off review tags on your posts on Facebook using the Android app. Customize your settings to control the tags on your posts and enjoy a more tailored social media experience by managing tags according to your preferences.